How do cloud marketplaces fit into Luasai's infrastructure, and why is that a major unlock for software startups? In the last 5 years, we have seen a new channel avenue open up. AWS, Microsoft, Google, others have been selling cloud infrastructure for longer than that. What they realized about 5 years ago is that if they leverage the relationships that they have with their customers, the contractual relationships, the technical relationships, the sales relationships, they were able to facilitate the consumption of third-party software on top of their own infrastructure. It started as a way for them to just make it easier for their customers to consume the products they want to consume, their own and others. And what that's evolved into is a digital marketplace experience for enterprise companies wishing to purchase enterprise software. So AWS Marketplace, Azure Marketplace, Google Cloud Marketplace have become a catalog of software solutions which customers of those three cloud providers can purchase directly from Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. The experience itself, digitally native, slick, streamlined, but more importantly, legally and commercially, there are big benefits to the enterprise customer in consuming third-party software in this way. If you have a spending agreement with one of those cloud providers for your cloud infrastructure, most big enterprises will. They know that they're spending tens or hundreds of millions with one of these cloud providers on compute infrastructure, storage infrastructure, network technology, whatever it may be. They are able to leverage the spending power of those commitments to effectively get a wholesale discount off of everything that they bundle under that commitment. So not only the technology that they are consuming, which is manufactured and supplied by Microsoft, but they can also include some of that third-party software that they are purchasing from Microsoft's marketplace. So if you're an enterprise and you are spending $1 million on a piece of software outside of the cloud marketplace, but you have a $100 million agreement with Microsoft, which gets you an overall wholesale discount on everything that you get from them, moving that $1 million software purchase onto the cloud marketplace gives you an overall effective discount. So cloud marketplaces have exploded in popularity in the last 3 years. They are now a multi-billion-dollar avenue for enterprises to consume third-party technology, and really should be a fundamental pillar of every ISV's go-to-market if their technology is appropriate. The most appropriate are software companies whose own software runs on one of those cloud providers, but really can be for anybody. Anybody who sells software technology should be leveraging these cloud marketplaces to unlock access to these committed spends that these end customers have with these cloud providers. Now, the process of selling through these cloud providers, whilst there are technology platforms out there that help you with the technical integrations, this is Tackle.io and Sugar and Workspan and these other third-party integrators, there is still a workflow around this which requires domain-specific knowledge and localization. The opportunity to work with the corresponding account manager at a cloud provider can be time-consuming. And if you are a small ISV, again, do you want your highly optimized, very specific, expensive enterprise salesperson spending their time trying to navigate this landscape of how do I find the right account person, account manager, salesperson within Microsoft, end user, and connect up this sales workflow? It can be costly. What we do at Luasai is using things like Tackle, we integrate into these marketplaces too on your behalf. So we can help you create and issue purchasing agreements, channel partner private offers, multi-party private offers. It is a complex landscape for how the mechanics of these transactions work behind the scenes. We do these every day. Our team are there to ultimately make sure that customers, partners involved in the transaction, because enterprises sometimes will include resellers in the cloud marketplace transaction because they work with them on their AWS deployment. Multi-party offerings are highly complex, time-consuming, and again, things that can delay sales cycles. Our team, again, will give you that aggregated view of all of these transactions to ensure that your salespeople, your end customers, your partners are comfortable with how things are working. and ultimately closing the deal as fast as possible.